Hey folks, Captain Dave here. I made mention that I got the new GoPro Jaws with the flex arm. I think they're referring it as the GoPro Flex Jaws. Now there's many a review on this product already. Today is the first day that I've used mine, and I'm really impressed. This thing, for me, I do videos on boats, out on the water, with my customers, with my charter customers. And what really I wanted something that was super quick. Change an angle, get a different shot, real quick. I've got camera booms or poles or whatever you want to call it, and I've got various mounts all around the boat. But still, when it really comes down to it, you need something like this. I needed something like this. And there is other products like it. So GoPro is kind of, they kind of copied what was out there, okay? I've seen, a clamp like this with a flexible jaw already. But the big difference is it doesn't have the GoPro mount. The clip mount here, you take this off, there's your standard GoPro clip mount on there, and there's the receiver base, I guess you could say, which is identical to up top here. And you put this in, and it's very secure, and I can't, it's not that I can't believe that it's made this well, but this is a real quality product. The grip is super strong, and inside here is kind of a zip strip thing, and you can close this up. Okay, this little loop right here, you can close that up, so when you grip down, it's gripping on the back side as well as the front side and everything else. I got dolphins jumping around over here. So it's very versatile, okay? And then you can open this gripper all the way up, and then they got a nice little slot right there where you can kind of take the old tag end and hide it right in there. And your camera, of course, goes on very easily. I'm using a J buckle mount here. It's because the only one I had on the boat with me this morning. And there you go. So there it is. And you squeeze this, it's really strong, and you can put the camera almost anywhere. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of details about it for the sheer fact that there's a whole bunch of YouTube videos, okay, reviewing this already. There's a lot of reviews on Amazon. That's where I got mine. And let me tell you something. Amazon has it for $10 less than everywhere else. I made mention that I wanted another one, so guess what? I got two. I got another one coming with the new tripod base, because the pole that this camera is on right now, what I'm going to do is put a tripod base on it, okay? And then, of course, I'll have my camera up here, and I will put the tripod base on. Then, on my camera pole, I'll also be able to flex around. Now, what it doesn't do is it doesn't really, you go to turn it, it doesn't swivel, okay? But as soon as you stick it in here, you can get some turn out of it. Okay, see how that's straight and this is turning? So it's all in how this flex arm works, okay? But what you're going to see is the rest of this video is some unique angles that I really haven't gotten before. I mean, not a ton of them, but some unique angles that I just haven't gotten before. And the thing about it is I don't even bring my suction cup anymore. Hell with that thing. This snaps on anything that's about 2.5 inches in diameter. So this really works better for me than the suction cup. I never really trusted the suction cup, to tell you the truth. And I even got a big tether for it. So you'll see some various angles. This is one review, if you want to call this a review, of the GoPro Jaws flex arm here that is done on a boat. I'll show you some various angles and a little bit of fish catching at the same time. So, Amazon, best deal. I'll put the link in the bottom of the video. I think it's 40 bucks. You can, everybody's charging 50 bucks for this. And I think even on eBay, it's usually 50 bucks. You go to GoPro's website, it's 50 bucks. It's MSRP. Amazon has got it out there. And we know that quick delivery with Amazon. I love Amazon and I love eBay. I go back and forth and I see which, where, and how can I get the best deals with free shipping on all my GoPro stuff and all my fishing tackle. So I'll show you a few of these different angles and how quick and easy it is to attach this. I'll be right back. People with T-tops, you can mount this all over inside your T-top, inside a cabin boat. So I'm going to show you a couple others, and I really recommend the GoPro Jaws flex arm here, $39.95 on Amazon. It's one of their best mounts ever. And it's a great handle too.